bank.
Just one bank.
Yeah, there is one manager for a bank.
One director for one bank.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And coming to the manager attribute contains totally. Sorry, manager entity contains totally 4 attributes. There are manager social security number, manager name, manager phone, and manager ID. In these 4 attributes, manager social security number works as a unique identifier, means primary key. And employee entity contains totally 5 attributes: employee social security number, employee name, employee address, employee phone, and bank name. Where this unique employee social security number is a unique identifier for the employee entity. Bank name is the column key for this entity. And coming to the customer entity contains 5 attributes: social security number, customer name, customer address, bank name, and customer account number. Whereas there are two keys in this entity. Customer social security number works as a primary key, and bank name works as a form key for this total entity. And before going to entity relationship of my project, just we have a look about cardinality and modality. Cardinality is nothing but the maximum number of relationships involved in between 2 or more entities, and modality is nothing but the minimum number of relationships involved between 2 or more entities. And the ER diagram, this is the total ER diagram of our project. We're coming to this. Bank wants a director wants a bank. Okay, and this one is one-to-one relationship, and its cardinality is 1-to-1, and its modality is also 1-to-1. And this bank contains many branches, so it's a one-to-many relationship, and its cardinality is 1-to-many, and its modality is 1-to-0. And whereas this bank entity contains many number of employees, so this is a one-to-many relationship. Its cardinality is 1-to-many, and its modality is 1-to-1. And each branch contains some employees, so there is one-to-many relationship between branch and employee, whereas the cardinality is 1-to-1, and its modality is also the cardinality is 1-to-many, and its modality is 1-to-1. There is an unity relationship between employee, whereas if any employee needs a backup, then there will be another employee for him. So it's an unity relationship, and each branch contains a manager. And so this one is one-to-one relationship, and its cardinality is 1-to-1, and its modality is 1-to-1. And this manager, this manager contains an unity relationship, whereas it's manager managers, many managers like general manager, assistant general managers, like that. So many managers. So it's a many-to-one relationship. And while coming to the customer contains many accounts. It's a one-to-many relationship.
Okay, so you said you have different type of major types, different type of majors.
Yeah.
So how do you distinguish that? Do you have any special field for type of managers?
No. And this customer contains many type of accounts. It's a one-to-many relationship. Like the customer may contains savings account, checking account, and loan account, like that. And this is the number of accounts contained in the bank for the bank. And
That one, no accounts.
number of accounts is not number of.
It is only one table. A table of only one field.
It's intersection data between bank and the customer.
Between
Bank and a customer. But one customer may have many accounts, like checking account, saving account.
Loan accounts, like that.
It's a total count of the accounts in the.
Yeah, I guess idea, but why did you create another table or?
Intersection data.
Not big.